Hi, welcome to Boathouse Shades. Today we're going to measure your boathouse for custom-made shades. Please make sure your posts are clean and free of any decorative items. Any lighting has been moved out of the way of the area we're going to measure today. First, measure from the bottom of your roof support beam to the top of your dock. This measurement is 82 inches.
Next, we want to make sure that when you're measuring, you measure from the outside of the post. And let's get a measurement of the post while we're here. For example, this is 5.5 inches of post. Make sure your measuring stick is on the outside of the post when you're measuring to the other post to the outside. That way we can get an accurate measurement, and it helps to have two people measuring in case the wind's blowing and you're out here fumbling around with the tape measure.
This measurement from post to post, outside to outside, is 107.5 inches. One, the back side of your boat. Each measurement may differ on your sunshade. Depending on the style of boat, the sunshade may stop at the top of your back deck, or it may continue all the way down past the deck. Please take a picture and reference what length you would like on panel 1.
So when you're measuring each panel for each section, we want to start with the back of the boat, the stern, meaning that would be panel 1, always. Then we move to the port side of the boat. The second panel, this area, would be panel 2. Third panel would be this area here. 4, 5, 6, 7. As we go completely around the boat, we're going clockwise around the boat.
Each dock is unique. Some docks will have post to post all the way around. Other docks we may include and opt for an addition of a post to give you a clear walk around of your boat area. Every dock differs. This may be an option.